Hello YouTube, I just received my new Fly More Kit Plus today, so I'm going to do a little bit unboxing video. Just be aware when you get the Fly More Plus kit specifically, it takes your drone above the 250 gram weight limit for your drone, so you will have to register it online. Ordinarily, all you have to do to fly the drone, at least in the United States, if you're in America, is take the trust certificate, and then you can fly your drone, which is free. But this kit will take your drone above that weight limit of 250 grams, which means you do have to pay the FAA $5 to register your drone. So just a heads up on that legality about that here. So I'm going to open up the kit and show you what you get. So you get a very nice case. Oop, is that backwards? No, that's forwards. Okay. No, wait, that's backwards. Okay, so you get a very nice case here. Once I figure out how to open this. And inside this case here, you get your fast charger inside. Does it open a little bit further, I think? No, that's a limit here. Inside the cover here, you get your two batteries. And these batteries, oh, and a fast charger here. But you don't get the brick, so hopefully you guys have some smartphones like iPhones or Androids that have that 30 watt, I think, bricks that you need to charge it. So yeah, you get your bricks right here. And notice, unlike the unlike the usual battery that comes with your Mavic, it doesn't actually say that 249 grams. I'm gonna focus on that battery here. So yeah, just be aware. I'm gonna have to register this on and give the FAA $5 to register it. So yeah, there's your batteries that allow, I want to say, 47 minutes of flight. Let me just check her again. Yeah, 47 minutes of flight here. And also inside you should get your packet here. This packet, it's going to come with instructions. And I believe somewhere in here I still should get the what was it? I still should get the extra rotors. Yeah, I should get a kit with chargers and extra rotors. Hopefully they're somewhere in here. But yeah, I'll keep looking for that. I'm sure. Wait, there it is. So I think, nope, no, it's not. So I'll keep looking for that. It's probably in like a zip-up pouch somewhere. But yeah, I'll keep looking for that. And what was it? But yeah, when I find that, I'll take a picture of it. Oh wait, I see it. In fact, this happened so many times, they actually put a handy dandy note here that says accessories are inside this pouch. So yeah, if you get alarmed like I did, don't feel so alarmed. Apparently it's happened so much that this upper pouch here had the accessories that, you know, you get a little note here. So you get the power cord and data transfer you can use it for. And then you get your extra pair of propellers. So now I have whole sets of 4 propellers, for 8 propellers each, all in total. But a heads up on this. It's funny because I think I was looking on my buddy's what was it, Fly More kit he got from Costco, and it actually had extra what was it, the joystick things right here. And I'm actually very surprised that the Fly More kit, you can see, offers you gets you the bag, gets you the data cord, gets you extra rotors, gets you the battery, gets you the charger, and they don't actually offer you extra, joysticks. And it's funny because these things probably only cost like $4, and I know the propellers are weird items, but I don't know, if you're giving me extra propellers, you might as well just give me extra joysticks at this point. It's like an extra 3 cents for them, eh? And I'm kind of surprised they don't include the power brick for this. They just give you this charger, sure, but they don't actually include the power brick, which I'm actually very surprised of. But luckily, I own cell phones, so I think I still have my old power brick for my iPhone. I got extra power bricks for my Android that are all, well, actually say iPad, and then extra power bricks for my Android's fast chargers. So they're all 30 watt, so I'm not gonna have a problem with that. But yeah, thank you for tuning into my unboxing. But yeah, like I said, this is the DJI Mini 3 Pro Fly More Kit Plus. And just to reiterate, the two things you got to be aware of when you get this kit is, well, when you get this kit, usually in the United States, you need a trust certificate to fly. But this kit would take it above that 250 gram. Oh, no, I said it wrong again. 249, yeah, 250 gram limit technically it is. And then you still have to, this will make you register your drone with the FAA to be legal to fly for and it's not too bad, $5 for 2 years. If you don't want to do that, however, for whatever reason, you can get the Fly More kit without the plus. You're limited to, I think, about 30 to 37-ish minutes of flight. So it's just a standard battery if you think about it. So if you're happy with the battery life of this, you're going to be happy with the battery. And it'll keep it under the weight of 250 grams, and it'll still let you, yeah, you can still get extra batteries for more flight time. So yeah, I'm excited to get this kit. As you know how it is when you fly a drone, you get so excited, you just keep flying. So these batteries will definitely help. I'm gonna go register my drone now and get that registration number, stick it on the side. I think it's right side, right there. So, hopefully I can provide you guys some cool content now. All right, thanks a lot. See you guys later.